Hey everybody, I'd like to show you the final on my small scale group build hosted by Sean and Brian from so it was supposed to be the whole month of February, the shortest month for the smallest cars. I went with 3 small scale race cars. They are Owners Club, what's the brand? ARII plastic models, and they are simulating the Japanese Grand Prix back, I think, around the 60s it would be. So the track is not supposed to look the best, and the grass around it's rough because it was early racing. You can see on the cars they all got the headlights taped. Pretty much they took cars straight from the dealership, put some stickers on it, and off to the track. These are 350cc motors, so they are very small cars. But the tan one is a Subaru, and the 2 white ones are Mazdas. I went with paint schemes that are typical in these cars, and something that's, not too different from what you would see. I went with static grass down below. I have some ballast down here. The base is made out of foam that I used my foam knife for. There's one nice thick piece, and then I just trimmed it to match what I needed, and then I did a plaster cloth wrap around it, and then put plaster on it. The actual racetrack surface is plaster. It's plaster with that ballast in it, and then you can sand it, and you can make it so it looks like an asphalt. And it's not paint on it, it's just wash. So it's Indian ink mixed with alcohol, brushed on. And then once you get to the infield part, it is static grass with a little bit of ballast in between with some plaster in it to give it that look. The brown is a bunch of different colors of Indian wash to give it that dirt look. So that way it has like a mud look to it. So here is the Subaru. I went with a tan. It's a kind of a camouflage color tan, and these would have a vinyl top on it. I think some of them they could open them up. I don't think all of them they could, but you can see there's tape on the headlights so that if they break they're not glass on the track. And then they got the turn markers, they're clear, and back here markers. So I went with the 2 different color tone interior tan. You can see here that's where it was broken. The box one came in. Some of the back deck lid is black, and it's that dark brown and a black interior. So there's that one. Here is the little Mazda 350, I believe it's called. It's a 4-seater Wells, but it's a 2-door just like the other one. I just put 1 mirror on it. I think it was supposed to have 2. I just put 1 mirror on it. It's got the nice clear lenses, and also with the headlights. And taillights are clear plastic as well, so being small scale it didn't miss some details. But this one I went with a full black interior, so that way all the interiors are different colors and that way they don't look the same. This one hand painted all the chrome, two-toned red and white. It's got the lighter tan interior. I think it has a dark brown too. I think it's acrylic brown. Got the sticker or the tape on the headlights as well. All of them do that. I think it has decals for them to be on all the lights, but I didn't want to do that. So there is the final for my small scale group build. And then we can set this up so it's different. So, well, there it is. Hopefully you guys liked it. Let me know what you think. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.